Hey friends, remember MTV Cribs? Well, I'm about to do an episode of that with our Rebuilding Lives home. I'm so excited to announce that the project is done. We have 2 floors where we're gonna be able to house families who are in that place of homelessness but need a place for a second chance. And so I'm excited to be able to show you the work that went into this and how we're starting to take applications for people to be able to come and have a place where they can rebuild their homes and also have a group of people behind them that's gonna support them and help them every step of the way. So come on in.